Okay, so I want to solve these questions. And the topic we have differentiation, integration. We also have set question that I'll be looking at. Then we have also arithmetic progression. So we want to start with this one here. Okay, so with this one, question 3, we have 3 plus root 5. We have 3 minus root 5. So you expand 3 by 3, that is 9. 3 times minus, if that is minus 3 root 5. Root 5 by 3. Root 5 by 3, that will give us plus 3 root 5. We have the 3 to be attached to the root 5 there. Then we have root 5 by root 5. That is 5. That is 5. Okay, so with this one, because you have minus 3 root 5 and plus 3 root 5, this negative and positive to cancel out. So you get 9 minus 5, which is 4. Which is 4. Okay. Then the question 4. We have been given y is equal to 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus x minus 1. So with this, you have y is equal to dy dx is equal to, so use the 3 to multiply the 2 here, then you get 6. So x, then you reduce the exponent by 1, so squared. Then the same thing with this, so 2 times 3, that gives us 6. You reduce it by 1, so the exponent becomes what? 1. Then by 1, you get plus 1 to be 1 minus 1, so to be x exponent 0. X exponent 0, so therefore any number letter exponent 0, that will give us 1. So here it is leaves with what? 1 there. So that is dy dx, that's the differentiation here. But they are saying that you evaluate x as equal to what? 2. So at x equals to 2. At x equal to 2. At x equal to 2, you have dy dx to be 6, then 2 squared minus 6 by 2 plus 1. So here we get 2 squared, that is 4. And then 4 by 6, you have 24. And we have this one to be 12. 6 to 12 plus 1. So this is 24 minus 12, that is 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So this gives us 13 here. Okay. That gives us 13. Now I want to look at the next question. The next question so that move ahead. angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on level ground is 30 degrees. If the point is 50 meters from the base, find the height of the tower. Then B, a ladder 10 meters long rests against a wall such that the foot is 6 meters from the base of the wall. Find the height the ladder reaches. Okay, so this is a trigonometric question that we'll be looking at. A trigonometric question that we'll be looking at. So let's look at this one. So we have the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on a level ground is 30 degrees. Right, so let's take it that this is the tower. So the tower that will be representing the height. Then we are saying that the angle of elevation, so the angle of elevation will be here. That is 30 degrees. So the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground, on the level ground, is 30 degrees. So that's the 30 degrees. And that's the tower. They said if the point is 50 meters from the base, find the height of the tower. So here is the 50 meters. 50 meters from the base. Okay. 50 meters from the base. So with this one, you have to use Pythagoras theorem to solve it. So here we can use tan. So tan theta, that is the opposites on adjacent. Opposites on adjacent. So here we having tan 30 degrees equal to, the opposite is the tower, which we are using the height for it. The adjacent, on the adjacent is the 50, right? So here we get 50 tan 30 degrees equal to the height. Equal to the height. Okay. So from here, 50 tan theta, that will give us 28.87 meters. 28.87 meters. Okay. Now we want to solve the B here. Now with the B, also they are saying a ladder leans against a wall. So the same trigonometric. So we have the ladder. I said the ladder is 10 meters. So the ladder is 10 meters here. Then I said rest against a wall such that the foot is 6 meters. Find the height. Right, find the height. So this is how the diagram will be. So like this, you have the hypotenuse squared, that is 10 squared. I can use a letter, let's say this A, B, C. So the AC squared is equal to AB squared plus BC squared. So AC is 10 squared, then AB 6 squared plus BC squared. Alright, so you have 10 squared is 100, then this is 36 plus the BC square, the BC square. Okay, so with this one we have 100 minus 36 plus BC squared 100 minus 36. 100 minus 36. So 4, then 64 equal to BC squared. So here we have square root of 64 equals BC. Transfer the square becomes square root. So transfer the square becomes square root.